30 years have passed since the fall of the Empire. The new Republic stands, but peace is fragile. In the darkness beyond the Outer Rim, a secret fleet rises, vowing vengeance. As Luke Skywalker rebuilds the Jedi Order, a mysterious Force disturbance calls him away. Leia Organa, now a leader of the Republic, struggles to keep unity among the worlds. Meanwhile, an ancient enemy long thought dead awakens to finish what the Sith could not. Story. Act 1. Ghosts of the Past. Luke Skywalker has withdrawn from galactic affairs, building a hidden Jedi temple on a remote, mist-shrouded world called Tython. He trains a small number of new Jedi, including his niece, Kira Solo, daughter of Han and Leia. But Luke begins sensing strange ripples in the Force, something older and colder than the Sith. Meanwhile, Leia, now Chancellor of the New Republic, faces unrest. Senators argue endlessly. Border worlds report attacks, settlements wiped out, ships vanishing. The Republic dismisses them as pirates. Han Solo, now semi-retired but restless, travels with Chewbacca to investigate. They discover an ancient Imperial station abandoned in deep space. But inside they find evidence of a new fleet being built with technology unlike anything seen before. Act 2. The Rising Storm. A new villain emerges, Darth Torvannis, a former apprentice of Emperor Palpatine, hidden in the unknown regions, gathering ancient Sith knowledge and building a hybrid force, part machine, part dark side energy. Torvannis reveals a terrifying weapon, the Star Forge Reborn, a living factory capable of producing endless armies and ships. Torvannis's philosophy is different from the old Sith. He believes the galaxy must be remade in darkness to achieve true unity. No more empires, no more republics. Only oblivion. As Han brings proof of this threat back to Leia, political divisions cripple the Republic's ability to respond. Leia secretly assembles a resistance team, including a grizzled Wedge Antilles, new pilots, and rogue droids. Luke realizes he must leave Tython. He entrusts Kira with protecting the new Jedi. He sets out to find the Well of the Force, a legendary place said to amplify Force powers, to stand a chance against Torvannis. Act 3. Battle for the Galaxy. Torvannis attacks the core worlds with swarms of black-armored ships. Planets fall quickly. Republic forces are overwhelmed. Kira disobeys Luke's orders and leads her fellow young Jedi into battle, showing courage and raw power, but also risking everything. Han and Leia reunite aboard the Millennium Falcon, leading the resistance, into a desperate assault on the Star Forge Reborn. Luke confronts Torvannis above the Well of the Force. In a brutal duel, Luke is nearly defeated, but uses wisdom, not aggression, to outwit Torvannis, channeling the light side into a blinding eruption that disrupts Torvannis's connection to the Forge. Han sacrifices the Falcon in a suicide run to destroy the Forge, barely escaping with Leia. Kira and the new Jedi rally the scattered Republic, forces turning the tide. Epilogue. Torvannis vanishes into the unknown regions, vowing revenge. The galaxy is badly scarred, but hope remains. Luke returns to Tython, wounded but triumphant, passing leadership to Kira. A new Jedi Order rises from the ashes. The last shot. Kira stands on a cliff at sunset, lightsaber in hand, facing a galaxy that needs heroes more than ever.